business class?
Yeah, the seat itself. You know, the price of the part.
Oh, the actual
like
assembly.
30? Are they 30, 40? Ready?
It depends. The newer ones we're putting on now.
Are you on brakes off now?
They're live flat seats. They cost $50,000 each.
With the tunnel, they have the little tunnel you're sleeping up.
That's right.
Yeah, I knew they were up there. I know they've gone up there in price.
That's about the house. That's about what a house would cost in Mobile, Alabama. All right.
All right. I'm ready for the brakes.
Okay. Brakes are up.
It's a great turnout.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first time I've seen the inflatable out there.
Really? This is my first time.
Did they go on the train yet?
Well, the train's going around now. They're all in the back. By the
yeah. Oh, all right. So, all right, they're making the circuit. Okay. That's great.
You have a vehicle over there?
Joe! You guys have any questions or anything about the aircraft or the cockpit, you know, go ahead. It's fine. You guys doing the extended 12 program?
Yes.
Yeah. So you're with
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
I'm a 1982 alumni.
Wow.
So before all of you were born.
You want to make the call?
Oh, you can.
You want me to?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright. I don't know if my radio works on it, that's the problem.
Alright, so we'll make a call. Alright.
Monitor me 21.9 and then if I can't get through, then I'll tell you to call it.
Eagle Flight 4675 for cross at Juliet. You're going to follow your BMC, go 300, jet 4320 and monitor 119 for 1. You have a nice day. Alright, cross 4 left Juliet, jet blue, 4320. Drop the plug one.
Yep, he's transmitting.
Turn to the ground, drop the plug one. Is Delta Tug calling? Can you say again?
There you go, he's good.
Delta Tug 1, Quebec Hotel, looking for Quebec Gulf entry. Delta Tug 1.
Hey, somebody come to pick us up, me and Norbert. Okay, alright, sounds good. Yeah, we're going to be parking in a few minutes. Alright, thanks. Take your time. Bye. Okay, good. Gonna take the van. Alright, so how much more do you guys have to go?
Well, we got till June.
Till June?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, sounds good. this power plane you're working on?
Yeah.
You got your airframes?
Yes, all three.
Excellent, excellent. All right, you're on the way. Good deal.
We also already got an internship with Delta right now. We're waiting for the port ID.
All right, so then can I ask you an unbiased opinion of what is your favorite airline?
Delta. It is. I swear it's Delta.
That's a loaded question, right, Norm?
I never.
Oh, is that right?
Also,
Mexicana. There you go. Is that where your goal is, to get to Mexico? Is that where you want to go, to Mexico?
Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I come. So I go every time I can on vacation, I try. So
Okay.
whichever airline gets me there.
All right. What part of Mexico?
I'm from Puebla.
Puebla. Where is that? I don't know where that is.
Kind of like in the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like
Is it far from Mexico City?
It's like an hour or two away.
That's not too far away.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it west or east of Mexico City?
I believe it's
East.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. So that's not going towards Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta is to the west. Okay. Sounds good.
Hey, look, our airplane.
oh yeah.
That's the airplane that never flies. So small,
And I thought that airplane was big until look at it from here. It's so small.
What, the 727?
Yeah.
That's actually a pretty good sized airplane in its day, you know. And that's one of the best airplanes ever built. It's a workhorse. It could fly anywhere. With those 3 engines in the back like that, it is just amazing. You know, because you've got the 3 engines instead of 2 like an 88, so there's a safety factor involved there. There's stairs in the back of the airplane, phenomenal. Easy in and out of that airplane.